I'd like to present you with that the information that YHWH is not actually a word, and therefore there is no true pronunciation for it. But I guess what we have was Jehovah or Yahweh would be acceptable, I assume. But what this YHWH actually refers to is the four spirits, each character representing a different spirit. And on this chart here, I have Yahweh with the Y, then the Hebrew letter, then the H, Hebrew, W, then the Hebrew, and the H in the Hebrew. Underneath of that, I have the Phoenician alphabet, which is similar to Paleo-Hebrew, not really connected to modern Hebrew. Underneath of that, I have Proto-Canaanite alphabet, which is, you can see, a little bit more with stick figures. And if we start over here, we have what we call an arm, which, if you recall, Adam was split into Adam and Eve, basically, Eve being one side of Adam. I guess that leaves Adam with the other side, so that kind of fits. Then we come over here with the whole figure. I'll call this the Son of God. It could mean like a hooray or you know, look, behold, followed by a hook or something like a tent peg or something like that, which I believe represents the daughter of man in this circumstance. I mean, it's like a connection, represents our connection to the heavens. Then we have over here another stick figure, and I would say, in my information, I would say that this represents the Holy Spirit. Okay. And then we have the Torah in the four Hebrew letters. The same with the Phoenician and the Proto-Canaanite letters. But what we have here is like a T or a cross, which I would say represents the cross that Christ died on, and it actually means a mark or a signature, which I would say is the mark of the beast. Then we have over here is the hook again, or the woman, which was moved from here to here. Then over here we have a head, which I would say refers to the beheading, as in us losing our connection to the Holy Spirit, and this refers to Christ, or the death of Christ, because Christ is also no longer in between these two, which he should have the male on the right and the female on the left, followed by another stick figure for the Holy Spirit. Now this is kind of the diagram that the Bible follows. You know, there's many fours in the Bible, like the four of Revelations and other fours. That's what they represent. And if you come across the Bible code, now where it has Torah, Yahweh or Jehovah, and Torah backwards and Torah backwards, what the Torah actually refers to is the four spirits being separated, but in God they're made as one mind. So you could take this information however you want. I'll have probably more information that covers this, and especially if I ever do Genesis 1, this information kind of categorizes how the days are listed also. And, well, thank you for listening, and hopefully I'll get to Genesis sometime coming up soon. Thank you.